In this video, we will talk about how to find the lateral surface area of triangular prisms. The formula that we're given is capital P times H, where capital P stands for the perimeter of the base and H stands for height of the prism. To find the perimeter of the base, we're simply going to add the sides of the triangle. Again, because this is a triangular prism, that means the triangle is the base. So keep that in mind whenever you're finding the perimeter of the base, whenever you're doing either lateral or total. So that means I'm going to add 9 plus 8 plus 7, because those are the sides of the base of the triangle. Then I will multiply by the height, and the height is this 13 inches. Okay, so first let's go ahead and add to find my perimeter. 9 plus 8 plus 7 will give me 24. So I'm essentially just going to do 24 times 13. After multiplying 24 times 13, I should get 312 inches squared for the lateral surface area.